Procrastination is the bad habit of putting off work until the day after tomorrow what should have been done the day before yesterday. In these lines, Napoleon Hill has greatly conveyed what procrastination is and how it is a barrier towards success. Of everything we talk is tested when there is the time of action, and that's where procrastination attacks. We delay tasks even when we know that how much is their value. Well, need not to worry, you are present with the right video. Just watch it till the end for understanding the solution towards procrastination. Meanwhile, a shout out for Naman Kumar. A personal thanks for your support. The names of those who subscribe to the channel and comment I have subscribed will be announced in the next video. So back to the topic. The best possible solutions to overcome procrastination could be: Number 1. Know the why. Procrastinators focus more on short-term gains rather than long-term results. Try focusing on why you are doing this task. What are the benefits of completing it? If you have to score great in an examination, imagine how will it feel if you end up doing so. What would you be gaining then? How will your life change from there? What will be there for you what wasn't present earlier? Subsequently, also imagine that if you don't get the desired result, then what could be the situation? If your health is retarding, focus on what avenues will it open when you will have your desired body. Subsequently, imagine what unfortunate things could come in your way if you keep ignoring your health. This exercise will tone your brain to at least be clear that why the task has to be done. Number 2. Pack your schedule. This can prove to be very helpful. Give yourself no free minute. Even if it is your rest time, pretend that there is a task on your head. Throughout the whole day, you must be aware that the tasks are all lined up and you don't have a minute to waste here and there. Number 3. Create barriers. Whatever may be your reason for procrastinating tasks, simply put a barrier in between. If you feel lazy while working, even if you are physically fit, create a restless environment in which it is impossible to rest. If your phone is your distraction, then use app blockers which will prevent you from using the apps which distract you. By the way, I have linked my personal favorite app blocker in the description below. You can also ask any of your family members to remind you to focus on your work if you get distracted in between. Number 4. Reward or punish. I have talked about this in earlier videos too. If you achieve your daily or weekly goals as you expected, then reward yourself with your favorite pleasure. But if you fail to do so, punish yourself by keeping yourself away from your pleasures. As our brain always runs behind pleasure, so attach that pleasure with the task you want to pursue. Number 5. Self-assessment. When you have followed all the above written points, self-assess your progress. If you perform well, then there would be an automatic rush of motivation within you to perform even better. But in case if you perform below your expectations, there would be a sense of hate within you towards yourself and you won't like that feeling to repeat again. So for those who excel, self-assessment can be a push, and for those who are a little behind, self-assessment can be a reality check. So that were the major points, guys. Fighting with procrastination is a slow process, so need not over expect from yourself. Just follow all the above 5 points by heart consistently, and I can guarantee you that you would be a better version of yourself. The content we deliver to you is highly researched, so you can obviously trust on its value. The time is limited, the work to be done is infinite. Procrastination acts as a barrier which we will go past together. So that is it with the video. Hope you liked the efforts. If yes, then please support us by subscribing the channel and sharing the video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, then feel free to use the comment section. We'll meet in the next one. Till then, goodbye.